Hello guys, welcome you back again to my channel. How you guys doing? Video is just a quick one, okay? Yeah, I've been having this video for a long time. So say vlogmas, everybody wants to come out, okay? Being a YouTuber has really helped us a lot, okay? We go for research and we learned a lot of things, guys. Today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to blur your background in a very easy way, okay? If this is the kind of video you want to watch, please don't go anywhere. Just keep on watching this video, okay? Hello guys, welcome you back again to my channel. I'm a Nigerian YouTuber based in Bayelsa State. If this is the very first time of coming across my channel, my name is Obi and this is Obi's Word, okay? And if I'm a returning subscriber, thank you for always coming to watch me. This is for you. So guys, today's video we'll be talking about how to blur our background, okay? Yeah. Now if you want your background to to change from this to this, keep on watching this video because I'm going to be teaching you guys how to do this because it's very so easy to do, okay? Yes, for a long time I've been trying to do this. I've been going for research. In fact, I've even made some phone calls, call people, chat people. How did you do this? How do you do this? And most of them, they will see this video and they'll be like, they don't want to answer. I don't understand. You understand? Just ignore. This YouTube is so big for us that we don't have to hide some information that we have. If you have any information or somebody asks you a question in your comment section, feel free to answer the person. Feel free to answer the person. Man, then the money will finish. All of us, we are going to get our own part of this money, okay? So today, guys, I have asked and I've, searched and I've gotten an answer. So easy, guys. I don't want to bring any app down, okay? But CapCut, I've been using CapCut. I've been trying to get this information on CapCut. But CapCut is not trying for me because one, they have a paid version of, they have a paid version of it, which most of us don't have money to to use that a paid version. It's so expensive. Nigerian currency, one of 9,000 naira. Because of that, most of us have been want to do video, but our houses, our background are not good, and we don't know what to do because many people have feel so discouraged to even post videos. Okay, but today, guys, by the special help of God, I went on research and I got the simple method on how to blur your background in a very simple way, guys. And guess what we are going to be using? We are going to be using INSHOT app. INSHOT app has helped us a lot. Although there are paid version of INSHOT app, okay, and there are also free version of INSHOT app. And this free version of INSHOT app, you can do a lot of things with it. I've been using the free version for so long. I've never paid a dime using this INSHOT app, okay? It has really helped me. So that is what I've been using so far. So I was able to get this app on INSHOT app, okay? And I'll be teaching you guys how to blur your background in a very easy way. It's not hard. You're going to blur your background in a very easy way. So for young YouTubers or YouTubers like me that have been on the street for so long, and you're looking for this simple app and you've not found it, my dear, keep on watching the video because I'm going to be showing you everything. I have nothing to hide. I'm going to be showing you everything that you guys need to know, okay? So if this is the kind of video you love watching, please keep on watching because I'm going to be showing you how to do this very simple. You're not paying a dime to do this, okay? Let us just go right into the video. Let's go there. First thing that you will do, you go to your Play Store. If you don't have download, then you search for INSHOT app and download it into your phone. So I already have it. So we go to our gallery, pick on the INSHOT app and go to your video, not the photo, the video, and pick a video that you have already done that's in your channel, okay? Then start working on it. So right now I'm about to pick a video. I have so much video that I'm here to edit, so guys should look forward for those videos. So I've picked a video, okay? Right now I want to remove those watermarks. That watermarks, I don't need it. So I'll go to the free remove and I remove it, okay? So that is what is happening right now. It's about to be out of this place. So immediately it's out, start working, okay? So that's the video that I'm working on right now. You can see the background is not pleasant, it's not popping. So I need to blur those background, okay? That is the essence of this video. So right now the video is already hard because I want to show you guys what I'm doing. So we have effect, we have adjust, filter. So I picked on AI effect. So you guys have seen there. So I'm looking for a blurry background. Okay, that is what we are doing. So that's how we'll be going, you understand? Just be going like that, you understand, using your hand to screw. So right now we are getting to the blur background, and we are going to pick a blur background right now and start working on it. Okay, I don't know what is happening right here, but anyway, we've gotten the blur background. So we are going to click on the gauss, that is. So after picking on the GAU then we'll start blurring the background. You guys will be seeing what is happening right now. So you click on the value and you increase the background. It don't depends on how you want your background to look like. So that is what I'm doing here. You can reduce it, you can increase it, just depends on how you want your background to appear. So that is what we are doing here. Yes, you just play as just do what you want. So that is what I'm doing here. Okay, so as we continue, after doing that, then you click on that line that is over there. That means you are done for that. Then the video will appear on the main video. Okay, so that is it. It has appeared already. Now you have to drag it to the end of your video, depending on how you want the background to appear anyway. So just drag it in, and after you drag it, then to start downloading. As you guys are seeing over there, that round sign is downloading already. So that's how it will download. Then to complete, then everything is already set. As you guys can see, we already have our blur background. Okay guys, I hope you were able to find out or learn a lot of things on how to use this app. It's so easy to use, very easy and very affordable. And if you don't have this INSHOT app, just go to your Play Store and download INSHOT app. Okay, yes, you just download it and start using it. Explore it as much as you can and start making use of it. Okay, yes, and see how your videos will start climbing up. See how your videos will start making views, because it's very good for us to have a very good background. When your background is not popping out, people might not be listening to what you are saying because of the kind of background that you have, and it will look like as if you are dirty. Meanwhile, you are not even dirty, but just because of the poor background. So if you have been feeling shy, or you have been feeling out or not posting video because of the kind of background that you have, don't feel bad anymore, because this video is a lot and is enough for you to use and start making your money and start making your views here on the streets of YT. Okay, so thank you all for watching. Please, if you have not yet subscribed up till now, please subscribe and join my family, and please share this video for me, because there are many people that still want to get this amazing information. Okay, drop your lovely comment. It's very encouraging. Thank you all for watching. See you guys in my next video. Bye.